Squad? We got another video for you today. We got some more stuff in the mail. We got some frequency filters from Skar Audio. They're supposed to filter out 0 to 80 hertz, 85 hertz, excuse me, at 4 ohms. So we're gonna put these at our mid ranges. See if we can't clear this stuff up a little bit. Let's get started. Alright, Squad, we got the speaker out. I'm gonna see if we can't do this with y'all sitting here watching along with me. It's gonna be kind of a funky spot with the camera sitting here like this, but we're gonna give it a shot. The speaker's got a positive and negative on it. I used the blue one with the white wire on it for a positive. The solid one is a negative. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna splice into this wire right here, and we're gonna put our frequency filter in our positive terminal for our speaker. So we're gonna get the wire cut. Strip a little bit back. We got some heat shrink here. This is what we use to cover up our wires. Not too good at soldering. Normally end up messing that up, so we're just going to heat shrink these and be done with it. I don't know how well y'all can see that, but we got a negative terminal and I have a positive terminal. What I'm gonna do, yeah, got a negative terminal and a positive terminal. Hook our negative back up, hook our positive back up, and we're gonna mount the speaker back up. Tuck this right up under there. There you go, Squire.